Good morning, children. Welcome back. Now we'll start with the continuation of solar system. Earth. Earth, a unique planet. Earth is the third planet in terms of distance from the sun. This position is ideal for life form since Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It is described as a unique planet because it is the only planet of the solar system known to support life. Okay, from all the 8 planets, only Earth is going to have life. There is abundance of water in all its 3 states: solid, liquid and gaseous. You all know that one, that water is present in Earth in 3 forms: in solid form, liquid form and the gaseous form. Since 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered by water, therefore Earth looks blue when seen from the space. Right? 3/4 means 3/4 part of the Earth. Overall Earth, 3/4 part is water. Only 1/4 part is land. It is looking blue from the space. For this reason, it is also called blue planet. There is an atmospheric shield around the Earth which is going to support the Earth system. We are going to feel the air, but layers of atmosphere are present around the Earth. Besides being rich in oxygen, which living things need to breathe in order to stay alive, it prevents almost all harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun from reaching the Earth's surface. Okay, means oxygen, you all are knowing that it is very important for our life. Without oxygen we cannot survive. All the living things need oxygen to breathe in order to stay alive. It prevents almost all harmful ultraviolet radiation. See, from the sun the radiation is going to reach, right? But it is not reaching directly to the Earth. So many harmful radiations are also coming from the sun, but the layers of atmosphere, they are acting like a shield. The rays are going to be filtered from all these layers, then it is reaching to the Earth's surface. So it is going to prevent us from that direct rays. The Earth is spherical in shape, slightly flattened at the poles. Poles means North Pole and South Pole. So flattened from the pole and it is spherical in shape. So we say the Earth is an ellipsoid, flattened at the poles. To be exact, Earth is a geoid. The Earth's circumference of the Earth is about 40,075 km. Its diameter is 12,756 km across the equator, in the center of the Earth, and 12,713 km across the poles. So overall the circumference and the diameter we are going to talk about at the pole side and at the center is little bit different. Now its surface area is 510 million square kilometer. Though this is impressive, it is hardly vast in comparison to planets such as Jupiter and Saturn. Right. So all the rest of the planets, they are not having life on the Earth. Only Earth is going to have life. We are getting the oxygen, water, air, all the things which is required for the life. Earth is going to provide everything to us. Okay, thank you children. We are going to stop for this session. In the next class, we are going to study about the satellites.